This video is to show the solar power pack that I built. It follows Chikuhara's design, but with the following changes. First, I chose not to take the inverter apart and build it into the box. That keeps it as a standalone module and does not dump heat into the box. It leaves room for a bigger DC to DC converter. The original DC to DC converter could not supply enough current to get full output of the inverter, so I opted for a more expensive boost buck converter rated at 25 amps. This gives a fully regulated 12 volts out. I used two 18650 battery modules organized 4S10P each, and each has a BMS. Finally, I found the mechanical relay ran hot as its 12 volt coil was running on 16 volts. I replaced it with a DC solid state relay. The unit features only one 12 volt outlet, and the inverter provides USB outputs, or a simple 12 volt to USB dongle could work as well. The grey connector connects to an external DC power source such as a solar panel or a bench supply. To operate, plug in the inverter and turn on the Hall Effect Center display and press the blue power button. The display shows the current and the voltage. Turn on the inverter and we have 120 volts AC pure sine, and this guy is good for 350 watts. If we open the unit, we can see all the components mounted to the lid. That includes the solar charge controller, the large DC to DC boost buck converter, the Hall Effect sensor and D-Rock meter, and the solid state relay. And below you can see the two battery banks, 18650s, and they're joined together with a Y cable. And I'll do another video on the battery banks later.